Human body systems. The excretory system. The main function of the excretory system is to rid the body of waste. Your body must eliminate waste to remain healthy. These systems function together as parts of your excretory system. Your excretory system includes the urinary system. You will start a note section in your ISN. You need to turn to the next clean page. At the top, you need to label it excretory system. If at any time you need to stop or pause, please press pause on the video. You can always resume play when you're ready to move on. You will write excretory system at the top, main function to rid the body of waste to stay healthy. The excretory system includes the urinary system. Okay, the excretory system. Your body must eliminate waste to remain healthy and to maintain homeostasis. Remember, homeostasis is the body's ability to internally maintain balance, okay, and maintain an equilibrium. Okay, these systems function together to eliminate waste from the body. The digestive system, we eliminate out a solid waste, that is water and undigested food, and it leaves the body. The respiratory system, we have a waste that we actually exhale out, that is carbon dioxide. The skin, while we sweat, releases out salt and other organic substances. And then, of course, our urinary system, okay, we end up getting rid of a liquid waste called urine. So for your notes, you will write these systems function together to eliminate waste from the body. Digestive system, the waste is a solid waste called feces. In the respiratory system, we exhale a gas called carbon dioxide. The skin, when we sweat, it releases salts and other substances. And of course, our urinary system gets rid of a liquid waste called urine. Again, go ahead and press pause if you need some extra time. Otherwise, I am moving on. Okay, so these are the different organs of the excretory system. The urinary system is what we are focusing on in this class. We have the 2 kidneys. We also have the ureters. These are the tubes that bring urine down from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. We have the bladder in this location, and then of course the urine will leave the bladder through a small opening and tube-shaped structure called the urethra. Okay, so focusing in more on the urinary system. The urinary system rids the blood of waste produced by cells. It controls blood volume by removing excess water produced by body cells during respiration. And it gets rid of excess salts. For an entry in your note system, this time I want you to label at the top the urinary system. You need to write down, rids the blood of waste produced by cells, controls blood volume by removing excess water, and gets rid of excess salts. Please feel free to push pause if you need some extra time, and then resume play when you're ready to move on. The urinary system, regulating fluid levels. The hypothalamus constantly monitors the amount of water in the blood. Okay, so the hypothalamus is located up here in your brain. When the brain detects too much water in the blood, the hypothalamus releases a lesser amount of a specific hormone. This hormone signals the kidneys to return less water to the blood and increase the amount of wastewater, which is urine, that is excreted. So for your notes, you're going to write regulating fluid levels. The hypothalamus monitors the water in the blood. When there's too much water in the blood, the hypothalamus releases a hormone. This signals the kidneys to increase urine output. Organs of the urinary system. The main organs of the urinary system are the 2 bean-shaped kidneys. The kidneys filter blood that contains waste collected from cells. Kidneys are made up of about 1 million tiny filtering units called nephrons. For your notes, your entry should say organs of the urinary system. The main organs equal the kidneys. The kidneys filter blood, and kidneys are made up of 1 million filters called nephrons. So the kidneys are filtering the blood, they're cleaning the blood, they're purifying the blood. Okay, with the urinary system, you need to, let's take a look at filtration in the kidney. In approximately 5 minutes, all of the blood in your body passes through the kidneys. Approximately 2,000 liters of blood is filtered daily by the kidneys. For your entry into your ISN, you will write down filtration in the kidney. In 5 minutes, all of your blood passes through the kidneys. 2,000 liters of blood is filtered daily by the kidneys. Okay, continuation on filtration in the kidney. Blood enters the kidneys through the renal artery. Blood enters the nephrons. Water, sugar, salt, and waste in the blood enter a cup-like structure in the nephron. Capillaries reabsorb most of the water, sugar, and salt. So what we are doing right now is moving through each bullet point, and it's actually taking us through the pathway of how the blood enters the kidneys and is filtered and cleaned and purified, and then it moves on through the ureters, into the bladder, and out the urethra. So after the capillaries reabsorb most of the water, sugar, and salt, the renal vein returns purified, clean blood to be circulated throughout the body. Urine then drains from each collecting tubule into funnel-shaped areas of the kidney. The urine flows from the ureters to the urinary bladder. The urine then flows from the bladder through the urethra and out of the body. Okay, for our last entry with our notes on the urinary system today, continuing on with filtration in the kidney. Blood with water, sugar, and salt waste enter the kidneys. The blood is cleaned in the kidneys and urine is created as a waste. The purified, clean blood is sent back in the body. Urine drains from the kidneys down the ureters to the bladder, and then urine leaves the bladder out the urethra. Okay, at this time, we will be playing this video on how does dialysis work. If you are looking through the modules in Canvas, the video is located right below this notes template.